Hi guys, I am out in the chicken coop, and this is how much snow we have in the chicken coop. Yeah. Now we've got it dug out. Just a second and I'll turn you around. See, we've got it dug out so they can get over there and in where there's dirt, and it's where I give them their scratch and everything. Got it kind of dug out over here. Yeah. Poor chickens. All in there is full. Got some of this dug out. And then to their door. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Sorry, I kind of got to do this way. I didn't bring my stand with me, my tripod. Come on. Come on, girls. Giving them some scratch this morning. Oops, sorry. There's our big boy. Hey, Reuben. Sound like Red got a hold of one. Our other male. Uh-oh. My battery's dying. Oh, he's going to investigate. There's our other rooster. I give a little bit of scratch in here for the ones that don't like to go outside, so they still get some. But yeah, he's our indoor, he's our outdoor. Well, guys, just thought I would show you the chickens for a minute. Getting ready to gather eggs. I grabbed one already. Lighting kind of sucks. Oh, we got one in here. Can't see it though. Got 3 down here. 1 there. And that's it. Well, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye.